Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. First of all, the Honorable to Mr. and Mrs. Lecturer SN examine the proposal trial today. The Honorable to Mr. Dr. Christian Wiradendi Waller, SC MM, and Mrs. Rizky Firdausi Rahmadania, SC MSM, as the supervisor for my research proposal. Let me introduce myself. My name is Siti Haryati. I'm from Lecture Education of Official Administration Class B 2018. Today, I wanna explain my research proposal with the title Influence Self-Efficacy and Motivation to Enter the World of Work on Students' Work Readiness, Faculty of Economics, State University of Jakarta. In this era of globalization, human resources are workers who have the competence and skills needed in the work of work. For this reason, individuals must develop themselves to be able to adapt to changes in their surroundings so that they have the readiness to cope with the work of work. One way to produce quality human resources is through education. Top education is a forum for formal education organized by the government, such as the post-secondary level, which includes diplomas and bachelor's degrees. College graduates are one of the graduates who contribute the most to unemployment. This was revealed by the head of BPS, Mr. Margo Yuwono at Kompas.com. This is also the same as data obtained by research at the Central Statistics Agency, where in February 2021, there were 82,746.008 unemployment people according to Competitive Education. Unemployment in college in February 2021 was 99.543 open unemployment, an increase for August 2021 with a total of 981.203 open unemployment. This unemployment is due to the limited number of job opportunities. Not only that, the agency will only expect prospective graduates who have work readiness. So from this data, it can be seen that students are less than optional for being ready to work. Work readiness affects whether students are accepted or not in the world of work. And the indicator for the success of the university can be seen from how many universities produce students who are accepted into the world of work or who are capable of entrepreneurship. Jakarta State University is one of the universities that is expanded to achieve national education goals. From the data on the Indonesia Human Development Index (HDI) 2011 until 2021 issued by BPS April 2021, it can be seen that in 2021, the Human Development Index will reach 72.29 or grow 0.49% compared to 2020. So the data shows that the HDI has increased significantly from year to year. Seen from the increase, it reflects that the quality of Indonesia human resource is already high. However, in South Asia, Indonesians HDI is relatively low. The low quality of certain human resources is related to the national education system. So to find out the problem of job readiness in depth for students of the Faculty of Economics State University of Jakarta, research conduct pre-research on 30 students from the 2018 class using a questionnaire. Based on the job readiness questionnaires, students are cited to have low work readiness. it can be seen that 63% of students from the economics faculty are not ready to work. The unpreparedness of students to work is due to several factors based on pre-research that has been carried out by research. It is named that the factor that has the top percent is motivation to enter work with a percent of 30%. Furthermore, the second high percent is self-efficacy with a percent of 27%. This tests that the factors that influence job readiness are motivation to enter the work of work and self-efficacy. So it can be seen that all respondents admit that they do not have good work readiness for themselves. Where many students are not ready to work because they are not sure of their abilities. Therefore, students must realize how important self-efficacy must be owned by each individual in order to convince themselves about how much ability they have and how important it is to have motivation to enter the work of work, because it will prove an impulse to care to work responsibility. Based on the background of the problem above, the researchers are interested in researching about influence self-efficacy and motivation to enter the work of work and students work readiness Faculty of Economics State University of Jakarta. As for the formulation and research objectives, the formulation of the research problem is 1. Is there influence self-efficacy to readiness work student? 2. Is there influence motivation and the work of work to readiness work student? And 3. Is there influence self-efficacy and motivation and the work of work to readiness work students? Well, the research objectives are 1. Knowing effects self-efficacy to readiness work student, Faculty Economy, University of Jakarta. 2. Knowing effects motivation and the work of work to readiness work student, Faculty Economy, University of Jakarta. And 3. Knowing influence self-efficacy and motivation and the work of work to readiness work student, Faculty Economy, University of Jakarta. And the benefits of this research are 1. Utility theoretical. Results study expect could give knowledge, know and add outlook, especially concerning things which relate with problems or readiness work. 2. Utility practical. 1. For research. Study this beneficial in add knowledge about problems students relate with readiness work. 2. For the place study. Code made as ingredient put in for handle problem readiness work on student. 3. For University of Jakarta. Results study this expect code beneficial as ingredient reference and reading, as well as code contribute positive as input and ingredient consideration for Faculty Economic University of Jakarta for more maximizing potency students so that output that competent and quality. Next is a theoretical study on the self-efficacy variable according to Fitriani Nur et al. 2021. Self-efficacy as confidence individual to ability for arrange and do serious action which required for which purpose which want. With other words, self-efficacy means belief on self alone capable for succeed. Next is the variable of motivation to enter the work of work according to Harling and Sogen 2018. That motivation and the work of work is as desire of will as well as needs, which becomes background behind somebody which makes us push for ready work. And on the work readiness variable according to Wijikapindo and Hadi 2021, that readiness work is something cast with on individual for contribute to achievement purpose organization where individual the work with on a knowledge, skills as well as attitude which good. As for relevant research, first, research conducted by Husnul Khotimah and Nanik Suryani 2020 with the title Influence, Practice Work Field, Motivation Enter Work of Work, and Self-Efficacy to Radiance Work. Second, research conducted by Fama Tentama, Neti Merdiati, and Subarjo 2019 with the title Self-Efficacy and Work Readiness Among Vocational High School Students. Third, research conducted by Muliha Halim Rizal et al. 2019 with the title The Effect of Work, Motivation and Industrial Work Practice on the Readiness of Work Students. Fourth, research conducted by Delma Yunita 2020 with the title Influence, Creativity, Self-Efficacy, and Motivation Enter Work to Radiance Work Students. The last is the research conducted by Arif Nur Rahman 2021 with the title Influence Work Apprenticeship, Self-Efficacy, and Motivation to Radiance Work Student, Fakulti Ekonomi and Business University Muhammadiyah Surakarta. The following is a theoretical review of my research. The independent variable is self-efficacy and the dependent variable is work radiance from various sources, namely Meria and Tamzil 2021, Fitriana Nur et al. 2021, Gunawan et al. 2019, Mulasari et al. 2019, and Tentama et al. 2019. With the result self-efficacy take effect to radiance work, while the independent variable is motivation to enter the work of work, with the dependent variable being work radiance from source, namely Junaidi et al. 2018, Halim et al. 2019, Mustikawanto 2019, and Yulianti and Kafid 2015, with result motivation enter work of work take effect to radiance work. And for the independent variable self-efficacy and motivation to enter the work of work on work radiance from various sources, namely Unita 2020, Solvema et al. 2019, Husnul Khotimah and Suryani 2020, Nurrahman 2021, with the results self-efficacy and motivation and the work of work take effect to radiance work. For the framework of thinking on the first independent variable self-efficacy and motivation to enter the work of work, while the dependent variable is work radiance with the hypothesis. Hypothesis 1, self-efficacy take effect to radiance work student Fakulti Ekonomi University of Jakarta. Hypothesis 2, motivation and the work of work take effect to radiance work student Fakulti Economic University of Jakarta. And hypothesis 3, self-efficacy and motivation and the work of work take effect positive by together simultaneous to radiance work student Fakulti Economic University of Jakarta. Furthermore, the research method this research was conducted at the Jakarta State University Faculty of Economics from January to March 2022. The population of this study were students from the Faculty Economics at the State University of Jakarta with a sample of 150 students. The form of correlational research with a quantitative approach. The method of collecting data is survey method with a questionnaire using a Likert scale. Next is the research instrument. The self-efficacy variable uses the indicators revealed by Maximum et al. 2019. That the indicator for the self-efficacy variable are level, generality, and strength. For the motivation variable to enter the work of work, the indicator revealed by Tarigan and Hilda 2021 are that the indicator used to measure motivation to enter the work of work are desire and interest enter work of work, hope and ambition, urge and increasement environment, and nice physiological and respect on self. And for the work radiance variable using the indicator expressed by Stepana et al. 2016, that the job radiance indicator must have a consideration, namely have consideration with logical and objective ability as well as will for collaborate, one thinking which is critical, on desire for up and develop, easy for adapt with environment around, and brave sub to quite enough answer. While the data analysis techniques used in this study are test condition analysis, that is test normality and linearity. Next test assumption classic, that is test multicollinearity and test heterogeneity. Equality regression, multiple and test hypothesis, that is test F and test T. And that's all for presentation about in research proposal. Thank you for your attention and sorry if there are any mistakes in my presentation. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.